Science log 389. I have recovered the lost digital display technology using bitmap pattern scanning technology, as well as upgrading this technology to be compatible with a internal numeric system that I use personally. This is a simplified form of that. Unrelated to that is the signal edge trigger that I have devised that I should use with signal processing, which I am currently using for data containment cells. And this is 4 cells. And these are the cell's core. And these are the triggering portion for control, and this is the routing portion for data control. The red wire is for the data, the green wire is for control. And this selector can be used to select specifically which cell to route to. Currently this cell and the others contain nothing. When signal is applied, the selected cell receives the signal, as well as 2 signal artifacts that I have not currently invented a way to discard. And the selection is performed with the secondary signal. And applying the same signal again clears the cell. And so the cell has 2 possible states, that of containing data and that of not containing the artifacts related to the data transmission, which is interesting and has other implications. And I have discovered other ways to control this artifact related control to advance related display technology not related to digital displays, or not directly. This would be a bar chart graphical display, but currently it has multiple problems, such as that of difficult to explain, and perhaps this should be described later. For hydrocarbon ratio control, I am using a set of logic pumps which detect deficiencies and compensate, and do not overcompensate. And so in my system there are only these tanks for containment of these specific hydrocarbons, which 2 are full and 1 is nearly depleted. And so in this instance, the heaviest hydrocarbon should not be converted to the next lighter, and that is displayed here. These pumps are taking the light hydrocarbon, the medium hydrocarbon that is, into the processor to convert it to the next lighter form. Yet the next heavier set is not processing nearly as readily. This could perhaps be increased in efficiency further with 1 additional pump here, disallowing flow, because this converter is being triggered by the absence of light oil here, and not limited by the absence of heavy oil, which is a minor oversight. Additionally, these trigger in the condition of differentials in the three types. I have resolved the problem with a single pump containing identical information to the associated limiter in the light oil sector, which theoretically should cause these to become potentially redundant. This one specifically. Or perhaps that would be required for limiting production of this, though.